Hi, I'm Brad Simpson with Simpson Limited Collector Firearms, and today I've got a fantastic pair of Greener Howdah Pistols from the 1850s. They're in amazing condition, they're a great pair of guns, and it's a complete set in the case. Let's take a closer look. These are named Howdah Pistols after the platform that is on the back of elephants in India. And in the 1800s, it was popular to hunt and tour the jungles in India on the backs of elephants. So there were lions, tigers, etc. that were known to attack these platforms and get to the people on them. So it became necessary to carry big caliber sidearms that were portable, that were easily maneuverable, and big enough caliber to stop lions and tigers. These are actually 60 caliber. They're percussion muzzleloaders made by Greener. On the top, they mentioned Prince Albert, who they made guns for from 1845 to 1858. So these guns were made in that time period. They're beautifully engraved. They're in mint condition. The bores are like new. They're really amazing pistols in terms of condition, quality, and just, you know, they're an iconic pair of Howdah Pistols. These are really amazing guns in terms of condition and quality. The engraving is fantastic. Just the engraving on the bottom of the grip, the case coloring, the Damascus barrels, they're just unbelievably well made and in virtually new condition. The bores are like brand new. These guns were probably never fired, and the inside of the case, the leather is still like new, and it's almost 200 years old. The original powder flask looks like it was made yesterday. Just incredible. And the quality and just the beauty of the fire bluing and the brass and the patina on the flask, it's amazing. There's also a bullet mold, a rod, and everything is just about like new. It's really an incredible set. Also, a screwdriver, and none of the screws look like they've ever been turned. It's really amazing condition. Greener was one of the best makers at that time. William Greener started the company in 1829, and he didn't believe in breech loaders. He only made muzzle loaders, and made guns for Prince Albert, one of the best English makers at the time. And his son later took over, and it became W.W. Greener. That was in I believe 1864. But these guns are from the original William Greener company. So as you can see, this is a really fantastic set of pistols. It's a great maker, they're a great design, it's a complete set, and they're in virtually new condition. It's really amazing to find a set of pistols like this. If you have any questions about these or other items, or have ideas for a video, send me an email at brad@simpsonltd.com. Thank you.